As you can see here, I have a Toro blower vac. Now, I've tried a number of different solutions. Wind is the best and cleanest process that I've found. Why? Because you don't get soaking wet. So I think a Toro blower, you can probably find retail anywhere from like, I guess is like $70 to $80. Probably get a used one for maybe about 50 or so. But the attachment is an interesting piece. The attachment is, there it is. It's the gutter cleaning accessory kit. Now, I've tried pressure washers, I've tried everything under the sun, and Wind seems to do the best trick. You can go after it, follow it up with water if you'd like, but Wind is more than enough. A good rain will sort of clear up whatever loose debris there is. But if you can see what I have in here, this is not just one kit, but it is two. And the reason being is that I have two levels of gutters. I have sort of the first floor gutter, second floor gutter on the front and rear of the house, and those were just impossible to get to with a single kit. Now, these kits are not too bad. I think I probably found a used one for maybe about 50 bucks or so, but they only get you up to about maybe 10 feet. So what you actually see that I have in here is I actually have two kits instead of just one. Now, they're not super stable once you put them together, but once I actually hang it on the gutter itself, I can actually go back and forth pretty easily in cleaning them out. And you can see all the debris and everything fly out. So for me, this was worth its weight in gold. Definitely a better investment for me versus some of the leaf filter solutions and the gutter helmet. Why? Because you're still going to have stuff get in the gutters regardless. So instead of having to worry about cleaning those out or having to deal with the big mess, and the prices were just nuts. If you wanted to hear some of the prices, I'll probably tune that in on another segment, but it definitely pays to do your research. So this is my solution for cleaning out the gutters. Hopefully, you know, if you have a single family home or have to worry about gutters and cleaning them, and you're looking for a solution for yourself, and you don't want to get on the roof, definitely recommend the Toro Ultra Blower with the gutter accessory kit.